Hello everybody, we have a little problem with the internet, something wrong, and we start all over again. I'm so sorry. Okay, today we make tomato sotto olio. I got so many green tomatoes, and I want to show everybody to make the tomato. Because other people say, Pasquale, I got so many green tomatoes, what I gotta do? You can do like this, put tomato sotto olio. You prepare this, it's really good, we call it antipasto. It's really, really good. Okay, now I want to show everybody, I got oil over here. I chopped the garlic already. I got the flake of hot pepper. I got the oregano, you need oregano. And I got the oil. And I got the tomato. I was a pick up and I want to show the way I'm doing. And maybe you can do the same thing. You see, I use the knife. A lot of people is scared with the knife. You can use, you call a mandolino. And you play the mandolino. Okay, now, the start, I show you like this. This is the green tomato. You take it out this piece. This one is a little messed up, but it's okay. And you cut the tomato, the thickness like that. You see? Okay? And now let me cut all, and after I show what you gotta do. Okay? Spera vicino mare, facciamo amore, ancora, ancora, sommarinare e tirarezza. Okay, we take this out. Okay, now, before we start, let's drink a little wine. I want to say salute e cincin to everybody. Thank you very much for your support and so very much for the start. Salute e cincin. Good. Okay, now, the tomato, when you cut like this, you gotta put someplace like that, and you put the tomato lie down like this. Okay? Now, one time you put the tomato like this, you gotta put salt, and you put salt like this. After you put another layer, and you put like this. And again, salt. Okay? And lay. Okay.
Teresa, she's drinking wine with you.
Okay, where is my wine? Salute cin cin. Who's it, Lisa? Thank you. Salute. And thank you for the start. Salute. Okay, now we put more salt on this. Okay, and with the salt that's done. Now what you gotta do? You gotta put some of the weight on the top of the tomato. And you put something like this. And you put weight on the top. Because this, you gotta stay for 24 hours. After 24 hours, what you gotta do? You take it out, okay, after you see you got a lot of water on the bottom. You take it out and you put on a paper towel and you dry. One time you dry the tomato and you put it on different pots. and you put on different pots, and you gotta use vinegar and water. Now, me, I don't like too much vinegar, but I like vinegar, but not too much. And I did my, I gotta show you, I got it right over here in the pots. I did 1 cup of vinegar and 2 cups of water. Okay, now, we put this on the side over here. And I got this, I did it like I said. 2 cups of water and 1 cup of vinegar. Now what you gotta do with this, you gotta put it over here. Okay, you gotta drain all the water and the vinegar. And look how nice it looks, this. And this with the water and vinegar gotta stay 24 hours. And you drain. Okay. Now, one time you put on a jar, a lot of people, what they do, it boil. But I don't want to boil. I like my tomato nice and crunchy. And what I do, when I put in the oil, I keep in the refrigerator. Okay, now, this is done, and we take out over here. Okay, now, this one over here, what I want to do, I put the hot flake hot pepper. Okay, it's enough, because this is really spicy. I got 5 cloves garlic and I chop already. And I got oregano. And oregano I got like 2 tablespoons oregano. And I put it right over here together. Now, I want to put a little oil over here. And this is a really, really good oil. Everybody know maybe you use this as the Checo. And I put oil. Okay. Now, we mix this. And I need a little salt. Okay. And we mix nice this. Okay, we put this on the side. Now I got 2 jars. Maybe it's not enough for 2 jars, maybe I need more. But we see what happens. Now I got oil. And what I do, I put some oil on a jar before I put the tomato. Okay? Okay. And now it's a time to put the tomato, and you put the tomato inside like this. Just you dump inside like that. Okay. Salute Chin Chin. A salute everybody. And thank you very much for the start. A salute. Look how beautiful tomato. Look how nice. Huh? And you do like this. Okay, gotta go really, really good. Okay, it looks very good. And now we shake it again. Alright, and now we put this oil gets mixed with the salt, garlic, and the oregano, and we got everything over here. 1 and 1, 2, and 1 over here. Like this, you put the same amount, the same. Malinconia. All right. Now, what I do, I put at the top, both jars at the top, and now we do shake like this. It's 1. Excellent. We take the top off.
No, this is raw tomatoes.
Yeah, it's no cook. This is raw. And now we fill up the jar with the oil. You gotta make sure the cover with the oil. Okay. Now I got this spoon. What do? You do like this. Now, make sure to clean up. Okay, you gotta tie the jar like this, and you cover. And you tie it really good. Okay, now this is sotto olio with oil. Now, my wife, she did this tomato only vinegar.
With water.
Vinegar and oil.
Water.
Vinegar and water.
Yeah.
Yeah, vinegar and water mix, but no oil. Only vinegar and water. She did this 2 jars. Okay, now I hope everybody can like this. It's really good. This, you know, before you eat your dinner, and you got a couple of pieces of tomato like this, a little piece of bread, and you dip and you eat. It's really good. This in Italy, we was do so many like that. Cause we was eat this every day. When you go to farm, you eat. But you gotta see what I got outside. Tomato, green tomato, really, really lot. Everybody got a lot of tomato green. Do like this and like this. You know, throw away. And I want to say it again to everybody. Salute e cincina to everybody. Wait, I want to show you something before we say goodbye. Look what I got over here. Oh yeah, baby. All right? Salute e cincina to everybody. I salute. And thank you very much for your support. And thank you very much for the stuff. Salute, cin cin, everybody. A salute.